20. I'm gonna tell you the ones I'm gonna do today. It's 7. Do 19, 20. Yeah, you can do that one. 21. No, not that one. That was hard right now. 22. Yes, we can do that one. I think we have skills for that. And 23. I say it's possible. It's possible, man. Yeah, maybe those. Let me just try that. I think we can do those right now. All right. 19. We did it already, but I'm gonna do it again. Okay. So here's another 19 from test number 2. Where? Test number 2. All right. So this one is gonna be if you have. Let's see what I have. 40 e to the negative 0.11x equals, it goes, let me see. This equals 4. There you go. Oh, there's one. Number 19. You have 40 e to that power equals 4. So step number 1, when we did number 19, you went like this. You divided both sides by 40. Okay, so everybody do that right now on your calculator. You have both sides by 40. What's 4 by 40? Do in the calculator. What y'all get? Man, that's do it for you. No. Okay, I'll do it right now. 4 divided by 40 is 0.1. Y'all get 0.1? Y'all get this right here?
Yes, I did.
Right, success. The log of this side, 0.11x, equals, I'm gonna put a 0 in there. And the log of 0.1, so I know the decimal right there in the middle. And 11, I'm gonna put it in front. 0.11x times log of e equals the log of 0.1. Now, negative 0.11x, and ln of e is always gonna be a 1, so I'm just gonna put a 1, big 1 right there. And then a 0.1. All right, so negative 0.11x equals the log of 0.1. So now, I'm dividing both sides by negative 0.11, and this one also by negative 0.11. Okay, these are gone. So x is, and I don't know what that is, some big number, calculator number. Okay, do it on the calculator. Yeah, I'll do it right now. I'll do it also. ln 0.1 divided by negative little minus sign 0.11. Okay, so you do it. Tell me what you get. What y'all get? Give me all the numbers. Give me all your numbers.
Okay. It is x
What?
equals, okay, it is 20
Point.
point 93259175.
There it is right there. Okay, so that's the answer right there. So where does 40 become 4 after 20.93 hours, wherever it is? Okay, that's good. All right, 19. I say that one's okay. So now I'm gonna go to number 20. That one should be okay too, I think. Let me just do it anyway. Number 20, ready? Can I go next one? Is that all right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
20. Let's go number 20. Next one on my list is number 20. Let's put a bucket. Let's go to square on it. Number 20, it says expand. And it says to use the formulas. Let me write them down here. ln of a, you want to do it again. Write the formulas first, and then we'll use them. That's the best way to do it. All right, so let's do this. So I'm gonna put the formula for ln of a plus the log of b converts to log of multiplication. A times b. The log of a minus the log of b converts to log of a over b. And the log of a to a power becomes the n ln of a. And then the last one, the log of e is 1. Okay, so there's my setup on this thing. Is everybody okay right there? Those are the formulas we have. So now I'm going to use those formulas to do number 20. All right, so number 20 is like this. It says expand, and they'll give you a one that looks like this. Log of x plus 3 over x minus 7 to the power of 22 or something like that. So since I have dividing, I make it into subtraction first. So log of x plus 3 minus the log of x minus 7 to the 22 power. So everybody okay with step number 1? All right, step number 2. Since this is multiplication right here, I'm going to use that one up there. So this is going to be the log of x plus the log of x plus 3 minus the log of x minus 7 to the 22 power right there. Is that okay for step 1, 2? And then one more step. What do you think the last step is going to be? What do you think you're going to put this number here? This power thing to go somewhere. Guess. Where do you think it goes? In the front, exactly. So the log of x plus log of x plus 3, that stays like it is, minus 22, the log of x minus 7. Like this. Goes right there. Why? Because the power goes right to the front. From here, it goes to here. Is that all right? Yes or no? That's number 20. Number 20 is okay, right? I say yes. I say 20. 20, you have the skill. All right, let me do this right here. So, and 21, that one's kind of a different. I'm not going to do that one today, but I'm going to go 22. That one, I say yes, we have skills. Well, we're going to have them soon. All right, so I am going to go to number 22 now.
Can you give me 1 second so I can finish?
All right, go ahead. Take a picture of it. Take a picture of it. Got it?
Yes, sir.
All right. So I'm going to go to number 22. Okay, next page, 22. All right. So I am going to number 22, and it's going to say, and I'm going to let me write the formulas again. What I'm going to use. I'm going to use, actually, I just use the one formula. So the log of a to a power becomes n log of a. This is the one I'm going to use. I'm going to use that one right there, which is the third one. Okay, so now if I have 2 to the x minus 3 equals 32. So now I'm just going to take the log of both sides and I'll be done with it. Okay, so I'm taking the log of the left side, log of the right side. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the log of this side and the log of this number. Okay, so x minus 3 is in front because I just put that formula up there. And log of 32 is right here. So now I'm dividing both sides by this ln of 2 business right here. And over here, I'm going to divide this side by also by the log of 2. So these are gone. So x minus 3 is, I don't know, you do that in the calculator. You tell me what that is. What's log of, what's ln of 2, 32 divided by 2? Let me do it on my machine. Hang on a second. Clear. ln 32 divided by ln of 2. Let's see, where's my thing? ln 2. All right, y'all do that right there. All right, so now, boom.
Got 5.
I got 5 exactly. Do y'all get 5? Yeah, I got positive
Yes.
5. That was it.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now, and then to do this one, since it's that number, I just need to do is add 3 here, add 3 there, and for sure I know the answer is gonna be what? 8. And I'm done. Okay, I'm gonna do another one like this one. Don't worry, I'll do a bunch of them. to get the hang of it. The hard part is you gotta put this thing in front, right here, all of it, not just some of it. All of this goes right there. Okay, all of it goes in front. Okay, so I'm gonna do another 22. Okay, another one like 22. All right, can I go to the next page? Yes or no?
Not yet.
Yeah, okay. Just tell me when. Tell me when you're ready, and I can go to the next page.
Oh. Oh.
Can I go now?
Okay.
Yes, almost. Okay.
Okay, yes, sir.
Okay. I'm gonna same problem. I was gonna change the numbers. Okay. Same setup, just change the numbers. All right. So here we go. So this one. So number 22 again. We're gonna use this formula again. A to the power equals n ln of a. That's what we're using. So now, I'm gonna say 2 to the x plus 1 equals, I don't know, 37 or something. There you go. Close enough. All right. So now this one, step number 1, take log of both sides. The log of this side equals the log of this side. So now the power always goes in the front. So I'm doing the same business again. Okay, is everybody okay with this step right here? So now I divide using my calculator skills, of course. Divide this one by log of 2. And this one divided by log of 2. These are gone. All right. So that one, I don't know, calculator time, I guess. ln 37 divided by ln 2. I'm gonna do it here in a second. Hang on a second. Let me give my machine. ln 37 divided by ln of 2. Boom. I got a long decimal number. I got 5 point something. What y'all get? I got 5.
5.209453366.
Okay, are those numbers okay? Look at my numbers. Is that okay? So now that's what x plus 1 is, right? So easy. Can I just subtract 1 from both sides now? So 5.209453366 minus 1, and these are gone. So x is what?
4.29453366.
4533366. There it is, right there. Okay, is that all right? I'm gonna do it again. Okay, one more time. Same kind of problem, just set it up. All right. Can I? Okay, I'll wait a second. All right. Can I go? Can I go next page yet or not yet? You tell me when.
Okay, I'm ready.
Ready? Okay. I'm gonna same problem. I'm just gonna change the numbers. Okay. What? Same problem, just different numbers. That's all. All right. So page number 5, same thing. Number 22 again. log of a to a power is n ln of a. Okay, we're gonna use this formula again. So this time I'm gonna say something else. How about 5 to the x plus 10 equals some big number. 627 or something. There you go. That sounds good. All right, there it is. So this one, still take the log of both sides, right? Log of the left side and log of the right side. So now x plus 10 in the front. And then the other side, you have log of 627. All right. Divide both sides by, you tell me, by what? What goes here? What goes there?
To divide both sides by ln of 5.
That right now, 25. So these are gone. So we have x plus 10 is, and these are decimal numbers again. Let me see. Do it on my machine. Okay, so I'm gonna say ln of 627 divided by ln 5. I got a long number, 4.001, some other stuff. Give me numbers. What'd you get?
4.00198509.7.
97, like that, and decimals right here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And since that's what x plus 10 is, you need to subtract from both sides 10. So minus the 10 there, and the same number over here. This one also I'm gonna have to subtract the 10. So when I do that, I have x is, and I don't know what that is. What is that number? What you got? Negative something.
Okay, it is negative 5.99801490. 903.
Okay, there it is, in decimals right there. All right, is that all right there for the answer? Say yes. I see the answer.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Me, I think it looks good to me. All right, let me do one more like this. Make sure you got it, okay? Gonna do one more. Make sure that nobody's lost. All right. So I'm saying it. Yes, this is the answer. Okay, one more like this one, and I'm gonna go to the next one. Okay. Page number 6. This is 32, and we're gonna use the same formula. Log of a to a power is n log of a. So let's say 2 to the x plus 1 equals, I don't know, 32,400. Sounds good. All right, there it is. So this one, I take the log of both sides again, right? Same business. The log of this side and the log of this side. So this x plus 1 goes in the front right here. Log of 2 is log of 32,400. All right. So I'm going to divide by, and you're going to tell me what to divide by. What do you think I divide by? What is your guess?
Log of 2.
Exactly. Log of 2 there. Log of 2 there. I know these guys are gone. So x plus 1 is, I don't know, calculator business. The machine now. Log 32,400 divided by log of 2. I got some decimals like 14 point something. 14, this is what I got, 14.98. And then what else? What else y'all get?
Okay, 37. Oh 619.
All right, so I got this. So wait, but But that's what that is, right? It's not done because you need to subtract the 1, right? Yeah, we still gotta subtract 1 more. So 98, 37, 0619 minus 1. So it's just gonna reduce it a little bit. So it's gonna become what?
13.98370619.
70619. Yeah, it's just gonna make it one smaller. That's all. Okay, got it right there. Yeah, so it's not done there. Now it's done. Now this is the final answer. Does that make sense? All right, I'm gonna say skill number 22. You have it. Is that okay? Can I say that?
Yes, sir.
I think you can do that. Doesn't matter what numbers I put. You can do it. On my math lab. Yes, of course you can. Of course you can, man. Of course. All right, so I'm gonna say 22 is okay. Let's go to 23. That's the one I was gonna do on my list. All right, let's go 23. Let's go over here. It's gonna be page 7. All right. 23. Let me do it. Let's do it this way. All right. Number 23. How about this? Evaluate. Just give you some. So this is a formula. A equals P times 1 plus R over N to the power of N times T. All right, this is a formula for compound interest. And I'll just tell you what that means. All right, if you put money in an account, I'm just gonna make up something here. Let's say you put $2,000. Okay, so I have $2,000 you got from, I don't know, your uncle or somebody, and you put it in a bank account, and let's say the bank pays 9%. Okay, that means it's going to be 0.09. That's the answer right there for the R. And the bank says, in this bank, we pay quarterly. Quarterly means 4 times a year they put money in your account, but at this number. And the next question will be, well, how long do you want to leave it in there? Let's say you got it, I don't know, let's say 5 years ago. Okay, years. All right, so what's going to happen is you have this money when you're like in the 8th grade or something, your grandma gives it to you or your uncle or somebody. You put it in an account, leave it there. For how long? 5 years. So now I'm going to put all these numbers here and see what happens. Well, at $2,000. And interest is what? 0.09 divided by quarterly, which is 4 times a year. And then quarterly is 4 times. And then time, how many years? 5 years. So we left it in there. So now, don't do the parentheses stuff yet. Leave it alone. But no, this, don't mess with it. This, I'm going to do 4 times 5. Is that 20? Yes or no?
Okay, yes. Okay.
Right, so now, I'm going to show you how you do it in the calculator.
That's what you need to know about your banking, son.
Yeah.
All right, so now to the power of 20, and I'm going to show you how to do this in the calculator. Ready? All right, follow me. Follow me. So now let's clear it out. So you're going to put 2,000, 2,000, parentheses, 1 plus 0.09 divided by 4. Okay, and then close it. And then power, this little thing right here is a little b right here. See where this is clear? Hit that key. Key. Y'all see it? So my 84 does it this way. So I don't know how yours does, but it should be pretty close. Okay. So now 20. So what's going to happen is you can leave that money in there, and the bank's going to say, okay, yeah, we have your money. So, and after 5 years, say, I want to take my money out. Okay, so enter and tell me how much you have left. You tell me.
$3,121.01.
Yeah, and there's a bunch of numbers. I'm just gonna write all the numbers, even though I don't need to. Like that. And you can just round it to $3,121. And well, and actually, look, think about it. See this number here?
It would be 2 cents because of the 8 rounding up.
Round it up. Yeah, round it up. There you go. So you're gonna have $3,121, and you can round it to the 2 cents. Don't round it to that number. Okay, is that okay for number 23? I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna do more like this. Okay, don't worry. I'm gonna do more, a couple more, just to make sure you get it. All right. So compound interest means this formula right here. That one right there means you put the money in there. They're gonna figure it out for you, and at the end of the time, you have. So you had your uncle gave you $2,000 to go, I don't know, for the future college or something. You put it in there, leave it in the bank, don't touch it. Quarterly, 5 years later, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12th grade, take it out. But you take out not 2,000, but you take out 3,121.02. Does that make sense? So now, let me do better. This is little money. Let's do big money. Okay, let's do bigger money. Okay. All right, let's do this. All right, let's do number 8. Case number 8. All right, we'll go back to let's go to sit. All right, here we go. All right, so what I'm gonna do is go back to Mondayland. All right, let's say all right, this is go to what number is this? 23. All right, let's go here. Or grandma. All right. They bought their house for 44,000. I remember that. But the good news is when they sold it, they got $266,000 for their house. So they retired. Retirement now. They get their Social Security check number 1, Social Security check number 2. They get their retirement check number 1, retirement check number 2. Okay, so they got this money, and they have money in their checking account because they sold their house. Sold their house. All right, now, so they're retired. They're here, and they say, "Look, we know that you're going to finish college one day." Yes. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up. We're going to set up an account for you. Really? Yes. So okay, so we're going to put in a bank for you. Right now, you can't have it right now. That's fine. All right, so I'm going to use the same formula again. Y'all see the fake formula right there? And there's a question. It's like, well, what y'all going to do, Grandma, Grandpa? We're going to put money for you for the future. So we're going to put in a lot of money for you. Okay, right now, you're a 2nd grader. Let's see, you're 2nd grade. I know you're 2nd grader, but we know you're going to go to college one day in the future. 10 years from now, you'll be in college. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to put $10,000 in an account for you. Okay. And we're going to put and get interest on it, of course. And I don't know, it's going to make about, I'll say 9%. Let's just say that. So you're going to get 9% interest, which is 0.09. And the bank we're going to put it in, they said they're going to compound it quarterly. So that means 4 times a year, they're going to put money back in this account. All right. Now, since you're in 2nd grade, you can't have this money. You're going to have to wait for 10 years. What? 10 years? Yeah. And 10 years from now, you'll be 10 plus 2. You'll be a 12th grader. Okay. And you'll be finishing up high school, and you could be going to college somewhere. Then you can have it. Okay. That's fine. That sounds fair. So now I'm going to put all these numbers in here. Ready? A is $10,000. That's what they put in my account for me. And R was R, 09 right there. And quarterly is 4, and 4 times 10 years go by. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do right now. $10,000 is still in the account, but the bank's gonna do this. 09 divided by 4 to the power of 40. So now calculator time. This give me 10,000 times 1 plus 0.09 divided by 4 to the power of 40. And I'm gonna show you how to do it on the calculator. Ready? Let me get my machine out. Hang on a second. Hang on, let me get a chance to do it. All right, so clear. So on, clear. All right. So how much money? $10,000. Let's put 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Everybody get that far? Parentheses. 1 plus 0.09 divided by 4. Close it. So I got 10,000, 1.09, 1 plus 0.09 divided by 4 to the power of 40. Okay, ready? So when you're finally graduating from high school in May, it's all right. Your money's gonna be ready. Really? So how much money are they gonna say for them to transfer from their bank to your bank? From grandma's mom, from grandpa, granny's bank to where? Your bank. You're gonna say, here's the passwords, here's the usernames, put the money in your account. Okay, thank you. But how much did you get? Because there's interest, right? So it's not gonna be 10,000 anymore. How much did you get? Give me a number. Give me a number.
24,351.88965.
24,351 decimal 088,965. Like that.
Yes, sir.
So they're gonna have $24,351 right here, and they're gonna say, you know what? Here's our username. Here's a password. Send this money to yourself. What? Today you graduated. Get out of here, man. And here's a password. Get this money. Put it in your bank account, and use it for what? For college. Okay. This is what it's for. We say it for you to go to college. Go to Pato, UTC, whatever. Use it for that. All right, so now I'm gonna tell you now this. Poor grandma and pa did this. They saved their money, they sold their house, they're in retirement, they took somebody's money out and put it for you. Now, okay, this is what that poor grandma did. They did this for you. Right now, as soon as this grandma told you you're gonna do that, your second grade said, this grandma number 1 told you, hey, this is what we're gonna do. Do you tell your other grandma, yes or no? You tell the rich grandma also what they're doing for you? Always, the answer is yes. Always. When you tell one grandma does something for you, you tell the other grandma right away. Because grandmas always compete against each other. Always. That's the law, okay? So you tell the rich grandma who lives out there in Shavano Park, wherever, tell her, grandma, how you doing? I just called to tell you I love you, grandma. And she said, oh, by the way, what else is going on? What other news do you have? Well, rich grandma, I'm glad I'm talking to you. And she's gonna say, well, what's going on? She says, well, I just want to tell you that grandma number 1, she put money for my college fund. What? She did? Yes. And I also know that you sold your house and you live in a retirement home now. Yes, we do. And your house was the luxury house in Shavano Parkland. And it was there. Now you don't live there anymore. But let's see. Your house was $54,000 when you bought it. And it went to we were $1,900,000 that you sold it for. We know. Everybody knows. So my question to you is, do you want to help me for college one day? You're a second grader. Tell her. She says, yeah, of course. What did the other grandma do? Well, grandma and grandpa number 1 told me they put $10,000 in an account for me. How much? $10,000. That's all they put in there. That's all they did, man. That's all they did. That's all the money they put for me. You know what? We can beat that. For sure we can beat that. That's like, no way, no problem, man. All right, so how much you gonna put in, Grandma? We're gonna put a lot more. We're gonna put $20,000 for you. Okay? Is that more money than 10,000? Can they afford it, you think? These people? What do you think?
Yes.
I think, yeah, that is, I don't think it even bothers them. Like, yeah, they just go get the money out of the checking account. It's done. All right, so they're gonna put $20,000, set it up in your account. They're gonna do the same thing. So what happened? She put in an account, she got interest. Okay, but our credit rating is better. Our banks are better. We're gonna get a better rate than she's gonna get. Really? Yes, for sure. You know, our stuff is always better. Okay. Well, how much y'all gonna get? I don't know. Let's figure it out right now. Oh, that much? Wow. Okay. So let me get a number here. Let me do my machine. I want to get to giant number. Okay. So let's say they get it at some gigantic number. What? How much y'all get it for? Well, our bank is better than the poor grandma's bank. You're gonna get a big chunk of money, man. What? 24% rate? Wow, grandma, that's really good. And how long are they gonna leave it in there? Well, they said they're gonna do quarterly. Okay, that's fine. Quarterly, all right. And we're also gonna leave it. How long are they gonna leave the money in there? 10 years. That's what we're gonna do too. So we're gonna do the same thing as your other grandma. Different things, but more money, different interest rate at the same time, same compounding. Okay, so here's the formula. There we go. There's our formula again. Compound interest. Okay, this is the rich grandma and grandpa. Mom and pop. All right. So now let's put the numbers in. So it's gonna be $20,000. That's what they told me to put in. And 1 plus R. R is what? 24%. And N is what? What's N? 4. And it's still gonna be 4, and it's still gonna be 10. So I know that it's gonna be compounded 20 times, 40 times. So now we gotta do this calculator business. Ready? So I'm gonna say A is 20,000. 1 plus 0.24 divided by 4 to the power of 40. Right there. So you're gonna do this on the calculator. Ready? So this grandma and grandpa say, okay, look, you're a second grader. 10 years from now, plus 10 years, you can be in 12th grade. You can graduate, go to college. We'll get the username, we'll get the password, and you get this bank, our bank. You transfer all that money to your bank. Okay. You graduate already? Yes. Okay, get the money. So now, next question is, how much money is it? Let's do it. Let's do it over here.
It's a lot of money.
Is it more than the other? Is it? Well, let me just do it. It's twice the money to start with anyway, but then the interest is a lot better. So 20, 1, 2, 3, is that right? 1 plus 0.24 divided by 4 to the power of 40. Okay, ready? So she says, okay, are you ready? We're gonna give you the passwords and the username. Go get the money out of there, okay? You say, yes, grandma, thank you. Then how much did you have in there? Holy cow! Híjole. Is that right? What did you get? How much?
I got 205,714,000 3.3587.
Okay, let me write this down. 3587 like this. Oh man, that's a good chunk of money. Excellent, man. Thank you, grandma and grandpa.
He could go buy a decent house with that money.
You could easy a 2-bedroom house, 3-bedroom house, easy. But you're not gonna do that because your grandma and grandpa didn't say that. That's for it's for college, man. That's what you need to use it. You need to for college. You can't be buying trucks and cars and houses. You gotta use this money for college, okay? That's the thing. All right, so now they're gonna ask you what college you going to. They're gonna ask you that and how you doing. Can we see your grades and stuff? How you doing? Come on, show us. Be proud of it. So now let's go back. Now let's do something with the money. All right. So let's go back again. Poor grandma, grandpa. They left us. They got cash for us too. The rich grandma, she left a big chunk. Let me do first. There's. All right, this is 23 again. They left you a big chunk of money. 205,714 point, and I'm gonna say 36 just to round it off. Is that okay? This is the rich grandma, the rich mom and pa, grandma and pa. Now, the other one, she left you also money. Remember, it was like, there it is. She left you 24,351. So you left $24,351 and 89. We just round it off. All right. So rich grandma leaves you money and poor grandma leaves you money. Okay, so now you have these chunks of money. So let's do something with it. Let's do something smart with it. So tell me. First thing I'm gonna do is add it up. What's the total that I have right now in my checking account? Right now, at this moment, if I transfer all this money out and I go to my checking account, how much do I have in there? You add those numbers up.
You ready for the number?
Yeah, I'm ready for the number.
$230,000, 66.36.
36?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me see. Let me do my shit down. Let's see.
Oh, I missed the number.
Oh man, you're cheating him. You're cheating the grandma and grandpa. I can't believe you did that.
I'm cheating him 89 cents.
Oh my God, I can't believe you just did that. That's okay. Do it again. Every penny counts, okay? So give me a number now. What'd you get? Is it still gonna be $230,066 and what? How many cents?
0066.25.
Ah, there you go. Okay, let's change it then. And 25 like the like this. Is that okay now? 25?
Yes.
Okay, so now there it is. So now, right now, you have this money in your account. You have $230,000. And this is for your college fund. All right, so now let's see. This is what we're gonna do with it. We can use some of this money. Let's say you go to Palo Alto College one semester. I'm gonna say it's gonna cost you $2,000. You go Palo Alto College another semester. Okay, it's gonna cost you another $2,000. You go to Palo Alto College again 3 semesters. It's gonna be another $2,000. You go Palo Alto College 4 semesters. That's another $2,000. So if you go to Palo Alto College 4 semesters in a row, add it up. How much did you spend here?
$8,000.
$8,000 of your chunk of money is gone. You're gonna get this money, take away 8,000, you used it up. Now, once you finish your associates, I think I will keep going. Can I go to UTSA now? I'm gonna get my bachelor's now. All right, so I'm gonna go UTSA semester number 5, but UTSA's can be more expensive, man. I'm gonna tell you right now.
Yeah, it's like a lot more.
Like it's like 7,000, 8,000. I don't know, some number like that. Let's just make up a number. We'll say it's $9,000. What? Every semester? Yes, 9,000. Holy cow. Okay, well, this is the way it goes, I guess. So 9,000 again, and then UTSA again, semester number 7, 9,000 again. And then finally UTSA, semester number 8. All right, I'm done with this school, man. All right. So total, how much? How much did you spend at UTSA?
$36,000.
$36,000 is gone for your college money. So you just spent 8,000 over here spend another 36,000 over here, and then you say, you know what? I had fun doing my bachelor's degree. It was kind of good. So you know what I'm doing? I'm inspired. I'm gonna do a master's also. Hey, why not? Right? Is that okay? Can I do a master's degree? Sure, why not? So you're still gonna go to UTSA. And I'm just gonna guess for your master's degree, 2 years, 3 years, somewhere there. I'm just gonna say you're probably gonna spend another 36,000 or something on it. Somewhere like that. Okay, for your master's degree, you're probably gonna spend this. Okay, so I'm guessing that Palo Alto, you just say for your bachelor of science, and for your master of science, another 36. So right now, your total bill so far that you spent is $8,000 per pack, $36,000 for your bachelor of science, associates right here. And for your master of science, whatever, another 36,000. So right now, how much have you spent? How much what's the total of all this right here? Do it in calculator, do it in calculator. Oh, not 36, because this, 36,000, yeah, 3 zeros, 3 zeros.
$80,000.
Is that $80,000? So $80,000, this is gone.
So that puts him at $150,000, $150,066.25.
Oh, you have leftover. Okay, so let me do that. Let me set up the thing that what you just told me. And I'll subtract it out. All right. So we know we had the 230,066.25, but we spent $80,000 already. Is gone for education. Another zero. Is that right? $80,000 gone. And you said, give me a number you had again. How much do you have left?
$150,066.25.
Like that? Is that
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay. So this is left. Yeah, your account, your bank. All right. So now let's go back to this thing. Well, first I did pay all these. I paid $8,000, $36,000, $36,000. I paid $80,000 for my associates, for my bachelor of science, and for master of science. So this degrees, I have my degrees. I'm done. Whether you're RN or whatever you got it, there you are. But you also have some cash left over in your account, right? So this money right here, is it possible you can get a good used car now? What do you think? Can you get a nice
Very
Honda
good
Civic?
used car and a very nice house.
Okay. So you can get like a maybe you can go get a how about this? A 10-year-old Honda Civic. How's that? Does that sound okay?
It's like 10 grand, maybe.
Yeah, about 10 grand, 11 grand, maybe. And you have it, right? You can afford it, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, it's easy. And you have money. Can you get some clothes also as well? You're gonna get a job anyway. Go somewhere, right? Get some clothes, maybe. Hey, can you rent an apartment?
Yes, he can, but I think it would be smarter to buy a house.
You know what? You're right. Because you can find a house. Somebody have a house for sale. They say they bought it. They were there for like 20 years and they're leaving it. And you can buy it, whatever's left on it. They're gonna leave the house. The bank's gonna take it over anyway. You can take the house. You can get that. You're right. You can just do that. And then the house is what? Yours. You're right. That you're the owner. You're right.
And it's an asset. It's not
It's
going to
an asset.
depreciate.
And actually, and if it's like in good condition, it'll go up in price. You're right. You're right. So you're right. You probably get a house too. Get a house. Get your nice Honda Civic, low miles on it, good condition, running. Get that. Get your clothes for school. All right, that's good. All these good things happen. You got leftover money. Shoot, man, you're okay. All right, so now, what's this or here? Your 4 best friends. What? Your 4 best friends that you know since 7th grade. They say, hey, we're gonna go to college too, man. Well, grandma's put money for me to go to college, right? Yeah, so, and I have money to go to college, really? So, yeah, we'll go with us then. Okay, where y'all gonna go? I'm gonna go to Palo Alto, and then I'm gonna go to UTSA. Palo Alto. Where you gonna go? Palo Alto. Hey, that's a state school, man. You know who controls the provision there. And then UTSA, you know what? That's a state school also, man. You gonna go to state school? Yes. The tuition is controlled by the state. Well, you know, that's what you wanna do? We're not gonna do that. We're not gonna go to a state school. Why? We are going to a private university. We're gonna go to private university. So private university would be like, I'll give you an example. St. Mary's University. Is that a private university? Yeah. Our Lady of the Lake University, private. Incarnate Word University, private. Trinity University. All these are private. Okay, so now I'm gonna ask you a question. If it's a private school, can they charge you more money? They can't tell them anything. They can charge whatever they want to charge. Does that make sense? So guess what? If your 4 best friends are going to St. Mary's or wherever, they're gonna pay big chunks of tuition. Does that make sense? I'm gonna help you out. I'm gonna tell you how much it's gonna cost. So if they go to St. Mary's, okay, or those schools I hear, some of these schools here, it costs big chunks of money. Okay, I'll just do it this way. Let's just do it this way. Let's say, and I'm just gonna guess because I haven't seen the one from this year. So St. Mary's, they say you go there 1 semester. Okay, just 1 semester. Okay. Okay, that's gonna cost you like, think around there. I'm not sure. I'm just guessing what it is. Like $59,000. So you say, well, that's only 1 semester. I gotta go again. Okay. Go a second semester, St. Mary's. Well, that's another $59,000. You gotta go with us. That's I don't care. I have money. I have money in my account. Okay. So, and they say, well, I need to do my degree, man. Okay, that's fine. 3rd semester, another 59,000. And then the 4th semester, 59,000. All right, so let me ask you this question. I went 2 years to St. Mary's to get my associates. And how much did that cost me? Give me the total right here. What is the total so far? How much money is it going to take for me to get an associate's at St. Mary's? Give me this number right here. What's 59, 59, 59? Add them up together. How much is that? How much?
$236,000.
What? What? How much? 59,000, 59,000, 59, 1, 2, 3, times 4, I guess. Is that what you got? 236,000? Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Híjole, caramba, man. So you're gonna be losing 236,000. Oh, shoot. You know what? Just to get my associate, isn't that gonna take all my money from my grandma's?
You're going to be in the negative 6,000.
Actually, you're gonna have to get a loan because that 4th semester you're gonna have to, hey, I can't pay the tuition. I don't have as much money. They say, you know what? We can just get your FAFSA form out. FAFSA. We'll fill those things out and we get you a loan for whatever your minus. Okay, we'll help you out because we're your friends here at the private university. We are your friends. Okay, you understand that? Okay, thank you. So yeah, you are gonna have to do this. That right there. Yeah, you are. FAFSA form, and you're gonna have to sign a student loan. Okay, you're gonna have to get a student loan. It's probably gonna be a 35-year loan, maybe a 30. 30 years is probably better. You're gonna sign a 30-year loan to borrow money. Does that make sense? Because you're short $6,000, so you can't. They're not gonna let you get in. They're not gonna let you go to school. Right here, it's gonna mess up. You need to get your associates, man. But you have your associate's degree now. at St. Mary's with your best friends. Is that a good deal? What do you think?
No, it's not. It's smarter to do the other one.
The other one's better. So you have an associate with your best friends from St. Mary's. Okay. Or, what was the big or here? Or if you do the other plan, this one here, or if you went the other way, what happened the other way? Tell me, what did you do with the money? Let's see. You went to Palo Alto, 8,000. You went to UTSA, 36,000. You went to UTSA, 36,000. You got your associates, your bachelors, your masters, and you had money left over. This is left over. And you said you got yourself a nice used Honda Civic, and you got yourself a nice house also with this leftover money. Is that right? So you have a house, you have a car, you have 3 degrees, associates, a bachelor's, a master's. You start working as an RN or whatever you got it in, accounting, and you got a job somewhere. Which is the better deal? I think I think this is a better deal. What do you think? Yes or no? You tell me. What do you think? Hey, but wait, let me tell you this. But here, you're not with your best friends. You're not with your best friends over here. You understand that?
That's fine. You can make more friends.
Oh, you can make new friends? What kind of talk is that, man? You know what? If they're my best friends forever, if I go here and I finish school and I come back and they're over here, and they're still gonna be my friends. If they're not, because they went here and I didn't, I say, you know what? Maybe they don't need to be your friends. What do you think? They never really were, huh? What do you think?
Yes,
All right.
sir, you're right.
We're gonna go with that deal. Okay, ready? So now I'm gonna stop there. That's fine. You're smart enough now. All right, this is what we're gonna do. All right, back to the first page. So 19, I did that one again. So I'm sure you should do that one. Number 20, I say you should have that one. 21, jump it. Go to number 22, yes, and number 23. So 19, 20, 22, and 23. You should be able to do those things on test number 2. What number? Test number 2. Everybody okay with that? Yes or
sir.
no? I say yes. You're smart. And here's my answer to your question. I know you're thinking this right now. I went to this school here first. What? Is that a state school? Yes. And I got my associates there. And I did Cal 1, 2, 3, calculus 1, 2, 3, pre-cal, those things. I got that done. And then from there, I transferred to another school called Texas State. Oh, hey, is that a state school? Yes. And then there I got my Bachelor of Science, Mathematics, Computer Science. Then I got a Master's Mathematics, Computer Science, and Physics. Hey, I thought it was fun. Plus, the tuition was pretty reasonable. Does that make sense? So at the end, when I finished, I just paid all my tuition fees. I'm done. I'm done with this school. Yes, my brothers, sisters, they went to St. Mary's. All 3 of them. Guess what? Did I pay all my stuff off already? Yes. All of it is gone. How about them? No.
They're probably still paying on it.
They are making payments. You're right. Every month they got big old chunks of payments they got sent to the St. Mary's land. Yeah, one time I asked him one time, but I didn't ask it again. I only asked that question once. If you start making payments, yes. And it's okay. That's all. Thank you. I won't say. I'll never say that again. Because they're mad. Anyway, but you're gonna do that anyway. Same thing. You're gonna do state anyway. All right. See y'all later. Get out of here. All right. I'll see y'all Monday. I'll see y'all Monday. Monday. All right.
Sir,
Yes.
I'm still having issues getting into Pearson.
Oh man, what's your last name?
All right, sir. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Lambert.
Go ahead. What is it?
Evan Lambert,
Send
Lambert.
me, email me tonight. Send me. I am Lambert in your college algebra 8 o'clock Monday, Wednesdays, and just say that I'm having issues trying to get into the Pearson. Just send it to me so I'll have it on my email so I can
Yes,
look
sir.
at it and mess with it. Okay.
I
Send it
know
to me.
there's some other people. We have a group meeting account that they were saying they were still also having issues too, but I don't even know if they're still coming into class or not.
Oh, okay. Well, just send a message to them too, that if they have that, to email me too. Send me what class, what time, your first name, last name, and then what it is, that the issue with Pearson and stuff. Okay.
I just can't log in because I couldn't find an access code, and then I just can't get into it. That's my issue. Because I
Okay.
understand what we're doing, I just can't take the test right now. And no, it's
Okay.
kind of
All right. Well, I'll fix it. I'll try to get it fixed with me or the tech guys or somebody will help me get it on. Okay. Don't worry. We'll get it done. It won't
Thank
matter.
you, sir.
You'll be all right. All right. I'll see y'all later. Bye. Get out of here. Later. Later. I'm gonna turn it off. And